Most people completely overcomplicate making money online. They hop from one side hustle to the next, hoping this one will finally be the breakthrough. And every time it's the same story. New learning curve, more overwhelm, less traction. Before long, they're stuck, frustrated, burnt out, and still struggling to make ends meet. But here's the truth nobody tells you. It doesn't have to be that hard. There's a smarter way, a simpler path, and once you see it, you won't unsee it. What I'm about to show you is a proven step-by-step method that actually works. Not some overhyped, get-rich-quick scheme, not a complicated funnel that takes weeks to build. This is a method that I personally use to consistently make money online. No hype, no bullshit, just something that works, even if you've never made $1 online. And the best part, you don't need to spend a dime to get started. I'm not selling some $1,000 course or pitching some $3,000 mastermind. You can access everything 100% for free. All I ask is that you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. And I'll give you a full step-by-step course, all the templates, scripts, and even a free trial to the AI software that runs everything 100% for free. Now let me walk you through the model so you see how this actually works. So to break it down to 3 simple steps, all we're going to be doing is finding small local business owners that don't have a website. So think your plumbers, electricians, roofers, real estate agents, folks like that. And you might be thinking, well, everyone has a website, but actually not everybody does. Now I'm going to show you an easy way to leverage Google and Google Maps to find small local business owners who don't have a website and offer free website design. Then we're going to take that website and add a few basic elements to increase the number of leads that business can generate. From there, we can charge a few $100s a month for these simple services. And before you think, well, Brian, isn't this bait and switch? It's not. What we're offering is free website design. I know website designers that are charging $5,000, $10,000, even $15,000 just for the design. And that doesn't even include access to ongoing site maintenance and hosting. Meanwhile, you're offering to build it for free. And once the website's up, you're simply showing them the value of these bolt-on services to generate more leads, making it a no-brainer to pay $300 to $500 a month for the upgrades. And if you can land just a few clients, that monthly revenue stacks up fast. Now let me show you exactly how to get your first client, how to create the website, and how to add in services that keep clients paying you every single month. Now the next thing we're going to do is head over to the software, and the cool thing is that we can white label it. And that means you can put your own logo, your own domain, and connect your own payment processor. So when you collect payments, they go directly into your bank account. And you get to run this business as your own brand. So people aren't going to know that you're white labeling the software. It just looks like your own product. And inside the software, you've got all the different features, tools, and everything you need to build professional websites that look great and actually generate leads for local businesses. And the best part, it's ridiculously easy to edit and customize. Now, once you've built the site, you can also add bolt-on features that take just a few clicks, but also allow you to charge a few $100s per month on autopilot. So if we come over here to websites, we'll click new website. Now you've got 2 options. One, you can start from a blank website if you're a designer, which I'm not, and I'm guessing you're not either. Or number 2, use a pre-built template, which is exactly what we're going to do. Now there are over 1,000 templates right here, so we'll just click that, hit continue, and now we can choose from tons of different categories. Now, since we typed in plumber earlier, let's search for plumber here. And boom, we've got 3 templates ready to go. So I'll click into one real quick, and this one actually looks really solid. Now all I have to do is click continue, and it instantly loads the full website into my account. And the best part is, if you're reaching out to multiple businesses, you can create separate accounts for each client, preloading everything, and so it's already customized for them. All you do is swap in their business name, phone number, and email address, and just like that, you've got a ready-to-go professional website you can send to them as a demo. Now at this point, you've already given them a huge amount of value for free. But next, I'm going to show you how to turn that free website into a recurring income stream every single month. All right, so you've built a fully functional professional website for the business for free. Now it's time to turn this into a paying client and lock in monthly recurring revenue. And here's how you do it. Once you send them the preview link, they're going to be impressed. Now, nobody's going to say no to a brand new, professionally designed website that costs them nothing. But here's where we make money every month. You're just going to say, hey, the site's yours, completely free. The only thing you'll need is hosting and a couple of key features that actually make it work for generating leads. And I'll set that all up for you, and it's just $300 to $500 per month. Now at this point, it's a no-brainer for them. Why? Because they're already seeing the value. They're seeing their business with a professional website for the first time. And now you're just walking them through why they need these extra features to actually turn website visitors into paying customers. Now, here's the first bolt-on feature you're going to add. We're going to install a simple chat widget on the site that allows potential customers to ask questions or book appointments without making a phone call. Now, think about it. Most people don't want to call a business. So by adding this chat widget, we're giving them an instant way to engage with potential customers before they lose them to a competitor. Now, here's where we do it. You go into the software and click click new chat widget and choose between live chat, SMS, or WhatsApp. So we're going to select live chat here, and then you're just going to customize the welcome message with something like, "Hi there, how can we help you today?" Click get code and copy it. So once we get that code and copy it, then we're going to paste it right here into the body tracking code section of the website and hit save. And that's it. Now when somebody visits the plumber's website, they'll see a chat bubble in the bottom right corner where they can instantly ask a question. Here's the kicker. We're going to connect this chat to AI so it automatically responds to leads without the business owner having to do anything. And here's how. Go to settings, click Conversation AI. Here you're going to click Create Conversation AI Bot. And here you're going to add their website URL so that the AI can scan their site and learn about their services, so that you can set up common FAQs like, what are your prices? Do you offer emergency plumbing? How soon can you come out? And you're just going to do all that and click save. Now, anytime a customer asks a question, the AI automatically responds based on the information of their website. The last thing we're going to do is add an automated booking system so customers can book an appointment directly from their website. Instead of playing phone tag, customers can choose a date and a time that works for them, instantly book a call or appointment, and get an automatic confirmation message. And here's how to add it. So we're going to go to calendars, and then we're going to click new calendar, and you can come here and set up your available time slots for the business and generate a booking link and then embed it on the website. So when a customer books, the business owner gets a notification instantly. Now at this point, you've taken their basic free website and turned it into a lead generating machine. And that's why they're more than happy to pay $300 to $500 per month for this, because it's not just a website, it's a system that books them more jobs without them lifting a finger. Now let's break down how you can scale this up to $10,000 per month or more. At $300 per month, you only need 34 clients to get to $10,000 per month. And at $500 per month, you only need 20 clients to hit $10,000 per month. And remember, once you set these up, they run on autopilot. Your focus is just getting more clients and scaling up. So that's the play. Super straightforward, works like crazy. And I use it every day. Now, if you got value from this, do me a favor. Like the video, share it with a friend, and drop a comment below saying done. When you do, I'll send you a link to the full step-by-step training, all the templates, scripts, everything you need to make this work. Totally free. No course to buy, no coaching program, just real stuff that gets results. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you in the next one.